I can't take your pain away.
Okay, I did it too proper without a code. I want to terminate the pregnancy because I don't want to be a father for the now.
Why don't you keep the pregnancy? Okay, come, let me do the vendor.
Baby, wait for me.
What? Jesus!
Oh my God.
Brother Solo.
Yes?
Enjoyment no go kill you. Yes.
Jesus is Lord! Oh my days, you are more worried to be or no. I'll hit you with this one and for this one.